Hello friends, welcome to my channel UGC Solution Notes. It's me Rajlakshmi. I'm BSc MCA and NET qualified. This is a YouTube channel for UGC NET Computer Science students. So our channel basically has over 90 plus videos from which is problems on the various units of the computer science. So there are playlists for each and every unit and also formula for each and every unit. In UGC NET, there are many conceptual questions and theory-based questions. So to answer these, you need to have a ground knowledge on what is the main concepts and topics. So for that, you need to have a strong background and a good notes. So at RGCS Revision Notes, we provide notes for each and every unit in PDF form. If you need notes, please visit a channel and contact me through this email ID, that is itismeerajai10@gmail.com. I'll be happy to provide you the notes. So friends, if you are willing to take up the June 2026 UGC NET examination, then you need to have an idea of how the UGC NET paper would be. But first you need to have an idea of how the exam would be and what is the level of competition. See, for UGC NET December 2025, which is conducted on 2nd January 2026. So this is the cutoff marks. So in computer science, the general quota was for JRF it was 192, for assistant professor it was 162, and for PhD it was 144. Similarly, for OBC category, the JRF was 176, assistant professor 146, and PhD is 132. So this will give a basic idea of the level of competition. So at least if you are in any category, you need to know that this cutoff will be similar for each and every. Means in June 2026 also we can expect the around the same type of cutoff. So friends, today our topic is on operating systems, system software and operating systems. Here I will bring you two pages from the notes which I have taken in PDF form. These notes are prepared from me, self-written notes which I have typed it and I have taken the PDF. It was very useful to me and I hope it will be useful to you because it helps to cover all the concepts. And see, for CPU scheduling, you'll have the notes in this form. So scheduling is of two types, that is preemptive and non-preemptive scheduling. Then the scheduling criteria. So what is the CPU utilization? So what is throughput, what is turnaround time, what is waiting time, what is response time? What are different terminologies in the schedule algorithms, that is the arrival time, completion time, burst time, turnaround time, waiting time, and response time. So these are notes for the various algorithms, that is first come first serve, FCFS, and then shortest job first, shortest remaining time first, preemptive, round robin method, non-preemptive priority, and preemptive priority. So these are just the notes for the various algorithms, that is the theory part. So actually you have to go through the videos for each and every algorithm. If you need any videos on a particular topic in operating system, please write in the comment section. I will be very happy to post the video on it. However, if you need notes for paper 1 and paper 2, please contact me. Also, if you need previous year question papers with answers, also it is available in PDF form for the last 4 or 5 years of question paper. So this will be very useful to you. when you are a beginner and you are the first time taker of the UGC NET Computer Science exam. So please do like, share and support my channel. I have already posted 90 videos and it will be useful to many aspirants for UGC NET Computer Science exams. So please like, share and support my channel UGCS revision notes. I hope this was useful to you and we'll meet in the next video with the next unit. Thank you.